Hello, my name is Philipp Haug, International Artistic Director for Toni&Guy and LABEL.M, and we're here at the 2018-2019 campaign shoot. The inspiration behind the look is the 1970s feeling, what we're still seeing, and we thought what we see on the catwalks at fashion shows, that more and more this kind of heavy, little bit graphicer haircuts with a strong perimeter outline are quite cool. So what we've done first of all, we worked with the shampoo and the conditioner, which also gave us a very nice color into our pre-lightened hair. So what is quite important is that we undercut the underneath quite short, so that takes all the volume away, and then we worked almost with strong point cutting, a nice graphic line on top of that. So we actually worked with the Anti-Frizz Balm, which is the perfect product because it makes the hair so smooth, it takes the frizziness of the hair away. Okay, how we finished the look then off? First of all, we used some shine mist to enhance the smooth, get a little bit of structure into it and hold the shape nicely into place. We used the LABEL.M hairspray.